In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom client portal in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean client-facing space that's easy to manage and even easier for your clients to navigate. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to Home from the left-hand menu. This gives you a clear starting point. From there, look for the Spaces section and click the plus icon to create a brand new space. Give your space a clear, client-friendly name, something like the client's company or project name, so it's instantly recognizable. Add a short description that explains the purpose of this portal and what the client will find inside. Think scope, communication expectations, or what's included. This helps set expectations right away. Click Continue. Next, define your workflow. Choose the starter workflow if you want a simple, no-fuss setup. It's perfect for client portals because it reduces complexity and keeps everyone focused on progress. Then review the default views. For client visibility, list and board views usually work best since they present tasks clearly. You can always add calendar or timeline later if your client needs scheduling visibility. Move on to task statuses. Keep them simple. Things like to do, in progress, and complete are ideal for clients and minimize confusion. After that, review Click apps. Only enable what you truly need, like due dates or priorities. Features like time tracking or custom fields are great if they add clarity, but try not to overwhelm your client with options they won't use. When everything looks right, click Create Space. Inside your new space, add your first task. This might be a deliverable, a kickoff call, or a review milestone. Give it a clear title and any helpful details in the description so the client understands what's happening without needing a separate message. Assign the task to the appropriate team member so ownership is obvious. Then set a due date to communicate timelines at a glance. Click Save to lock it in. Once your tasks and structure are in place, you're ready to share the portal with your client. On the right side, click Share and enter the client's email to invite them. Keep their access focused on what they need to see. Typically, view or comment access is enough for most portals. Before you send the invite, quickly scan the space to ensure nothing internal or sensitive is visible. After sharing, let the client know how to access the portal and where to look first, and you're done. You now have a polished ClickUp client portal that keeps communication clear and work moving forward.